In this video, I'm going to describe how to reference your torch to your engraver. Obviously there's an offset between what is 0 here and what is 0 here. So the way we do that is we got to make a mark here on the plate. I chose to take off the torch, the small cap here, so that I can really find my center point. But it's important that you don't slam the torch down into the material. Obviously you just want to hover it over it as a reference point, because I was running a test program on my engraver and everything on my x-axis was correct, but I was 5 millimeters off of my y, so I knew that there had to be something wrong in the offset, because I recalibrated my y just to make sure and all the steps were as they said they were, and so I knew that there had to be something wrong with the reference of the y between the engraver and the torch itself. So that's why I decided to make this video, because I had to do it anyway. So yeah, like I said, make a small dot. You can see it there down on the material. I'll drive the torch head up so you can see it a little bit better. You know, just a small dot right there on the plate. And then you're going to jog it as best as you can possible, right over the pin there, or right over the dot. So now we know, okay, that's my 0. That's where I want it. Then we come over here to the screen, reference out to 0. Then I would drive the torch head back up, just to be careful. Put your cap back on so you don't forget. So now we got to find this offset. So what we're going to do, you can just casually jog over. Obviously you want to, right now it's it has air pressure, so you want to drop that off so that your engraver comes down. As you can see, it's not on our reference point. So what I need to do is I need to jog it over. A little bit more. And as you can see, we're still not quite on there. So I'm trying to get a little bit better here. My acceleration right now is really fast on the Y. And we're right about in the center, but not on the X. So let's drive over just a little bit. Now we're pretty dead on in the middle of where it is. So what does that mean now? We come over to our screen here. As you can see, these are our offsets here. And what I usually do now is I would write them down as my offset, and then the next video I'll explain how to load that into SheetCam, so that when you generate your G code, it'll automatically put in these offsets.